Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset this device through recovery mode. This process allows you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Unfortunately, this will also mean your device becomes FRP locked. When the reset is finished and you go through setup, you'll be stopped and forced to verify the previously used protection, like a screen lock or Google or Samsung account. At the time of recording, I have no way to bypass this, so just be aware. If you do this without knowing your Google or Samsung account, the device becomes locked and unusable unless you know your pattern or account details. Get started, hold power and volume down to forcibly reboot the device. If you have a screen lock, this circumvents the pattern request. You'll also need a cable plugged into your computer to boot into recovery mode. Connect it to your device. Hold power and volume down until it turns off, then switch to power and volume up. When you see the Galaxy logo, let go of the power button. Now we're in recovery mode. Unplug the device and use volume buttons to navigate. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm with power, then select Factory Data Reset again. You'll see Data Wipe Complete at the bottom. Reboot System now should be selected by default. Press power to initiate reboot. The device will take a bit longer to boot up as it finishes the reset in the background. Give it a minute or two. Once completed, you'll see the Android setup screen. The process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.